Most popular databases. Time series databases list. A time series database (TSDB) is a software system that is optimized for storing and serving time series through associated pairs of time s and value s. In some fields, time series may be called profiles, curves, traces or trends. Several early time series databases are associated with industrial applications, which could efficiently store measured values from sensory equipment, also referred to as data historians, but now are used in support of a much wider range of applications. Time series databases list. Time series databases list. Graph database in computing. The graph database (GDB) is a database that uses graph structures for semantic queries with nodes, edges, and properties to represent and store data. A key concept of the system is the graph or edge or relationship. The graph relates the data items in the store to a collection of nodes and edges, the edges representing the relationships between the nodes. Graph databases list. Graph databases list. Search engines database. A search engine database is a type of non-relational database that is dedicated to the search of data content. Search engine databases use indexes to categorize the similar characteristics among data and facilitate search capability. Search engines databases list. Search engines databases list.